I'm bored, honey. Can we go somewhere? I'm bored, honey.
Okay, guys, this ugly tourist here with Ding. And Ding's pushing me to get out of town. I don't know what's going on. And bouncers are fighting Marines. People are getting shot. I don't know what's going on. We gotta get out of this place.
Naglakay ako sa
Happy tourist.
Cheers.
nakita ang ganda ng aking mundo. Halina't tumayo.
Shots! So we will do shots later, but
Well, yes, it's true. We're gonna say goodbye to Angeles City. But right now I'm gonna say goodbye to the perimeter street bars. Oh, look at them go. There's the Showtime Hotel, or bar. They're gonna reopen it, I guess. Black Satin, the Candy Bar, T-Backs, Moonlight, Night Moves, Margarita Station. I'm gonna say goodbye to the Trikes of Angeles City. The expats walking up and down the street. Oh, the girls. I've got to say goodbye. So that's what I'm doing right now. There's an expat right there. 2. 3. I'm gonna say goodbye to the food stand. My favorite food stands. The 7-Eleven. Ding wouldn't let me say goodbye to this girl. Bye, girl. And here come the Fields Street bars. Fields Avenue. The nightclubs. The Filipinas. It was all over. Bye. Okay guys, so I've showed you guys this before. They have all the snacks you desire right at your fingertips at the Dau Bus Terminal. They've got ramen, they've got pork rinds, they've got itlog, which is eggs, they've got, you can get street food, You can get chips. You can get sweets. Anything you desire for your bus ride to wherever you're going. Just remember, you know, go to the closest one. They've got all about the same thing. Go to the closest one to your bus so you don't miss your bus. And just enjoy.
I forgot to get him selling the itlog, baby. It would have been good on the vlog. You bought itlog?
Yeah, you know what I wanted it? What I wanted from this? Salt.
You like playing with the itlog?
Huh?
What are you doing now?
Salt.
Does salt come with it? Extra?
Yummy.
Egg pie.
You said, I could.
Okay guys, so we decided to get out of the hustle and bustle, the craziness of Angeles City for one weekend. We were going to go to Subic Bay Freeport Zone to just get away for a while, to just relax, put our toes in the sand, and just have a good time. Get our blood pressure down a little bit, even with Ding's salt, and just be together for a weekend. Okay, the van ride from the bus terminal to Shoreline Hotel to the Subic Bay Freeport Zone wasn't quite economical. It was 500 pesos to get from there to here, or here to there.
Hello everyone, this is your ugly tourista. Please do like, subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell button for more videos. And comment down below.
So Ding wanted to go somewhere, and here we are. I'll tell you what, that bus going from Angeles to Subic was just cost us a little more than a trike ride. 217 pesos, which works out to be roughly $4. You know, not bad at all.
We stayed at the Shoreline Hotel. They had a cafe in there where we could buy pre-made stuff, or they had a restaurant in the back. And they gave us a free breakfast. That was pretty good. I'll tell you what, the lobby was hot. It's a nice looking place from the outside. Ding will do a room review for you later on in this video. Now I didn't expect this. This was a bad thing. And I think it gave Ding a few ideas on our future. On our future.
Okay guys, you waited for it to happen. It's fixing to go down. We had to do it. They're setting up for our wedding. Setting up for our wedding, honey. You pang it. I got the green pool. If that was blue, it would look good now. Did they have those lights on last night?
No.
It's nice.
It looks so good here when it's nighttime, honey. I have video.
What does?
When nighttime, it looks so good here because they open the light.
Yeah, that green.
If you are there.
That green makes it greener.
No, it's clean already. They put medicine.
I don't even want to show it on my vlog.
It's not dirty, Paul.
Yeah,
maybe
it is.
that's the color of their water.
No.
Yeah.
No.
They clean it.
No. But this is our pool. This is our pool. So we had to choose something different.
Ding wanted to swim in that pool bad, so I had to get her to
You can get
go
yes,
next
that's
door
what we need right
and
there, baby.
pay a little fee to use their pool.
We're gonna win now.
Because I wasn't gonna
Many views.
let her use that pool.
Let's go there later.
Go where? On the beach?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna let you swim a while, babe. You good? Okay, I go back. You want to get rid of me today. That hurt my feelings just a little. No. You remember that. Remember that tonight. Bye.
In Ding's defense, the pool did look good at night. I agree with her. But the lights were on where she says they weren't on. But I want you to take note. Look, someone's in that pool. It did look good enough to use. Okay guys, I want to voice my dissatisfaction with you guys not complimenting Ding enough on her room reviews. She does the utmost research on them. Look, she's looking how much storage this room has.
Hi guys, this is Dingaling, and behind me there is the ugly tourist. He's having fun with the bed because it's comfortable, and we are now here in Subic, and I'm gonna give you some reviews about the hotel where we stay, which is the Shoreline Hotel in Subic Bay. Okay. What was the first thing that we don't like here?
Are you going to talk about what you don't like? The TV.
The TV. The TV, there's only things that you can do with the TV. It's only Netflix and YouTube. There's no other channel, like TV channel. If you don't have account in Netflix, that won't work. The Wi-Fi also with the TV is not that strong. We're struggling to play videos on YouTube, and there's no microwave also. But the good thing here is they have fridge, the aircon works so good, and they have the hot water is working, right?
Yeah, got good pressure.
Okay, I'm gonna show it to you guys.
Yeah, show them the bathroom.
They have nice bathroom. Look. They have nice bathroom. They separate the shower area. It's good, right? Excuse me. And they have free cream and coffee. They have also water heater. And
Bed's comfortable.
the bed is comfortable.
Come here, Ding.
Excuse me.
Why don't you show our viewers the view we got?
Look at the ugly tourist over there. He's having fun in the bed.
What about the view?
We have a bad view, guys, because that's the roof. Only roof.
Can you see out there through the roof?
Yeah, they can see. That's our good view. Roof.
Yeah, the roof.
Yeah, but there's some skies over there. Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, you can see the sky.
Yeah.
Every once in a while you can see a bird pass by.
Okay.
How much does it cost?
The room cost $2,500 for a night, which is how much in dollar?
Around $48.
$48.
Yeah. So, and then what about
What?
the free breakfast?
We also have free breakfast, guys, and that's good. They have good breakfast, but it's only Filipino breakfast. But if your foreign partner is not picky, which is like him, you can survive with that. It's good, actually. It's
I'm not very picky. I got you.
It's not bad. All in all, this place is good, but the worst thing here is the pool is dirty. We cannot swim. pool. We used to go to the other hotel to swim. We pay 350 peso per person, but the 200 there is consumable. The 150 is the entrance fee for the pool.
Yeah, I didn't get to go swimming.
That's the only worst thing that they have here. Actually, they have good hotel rooms, but swimming pool is not good. It's dirty.
Okay, so all in all, yeah, I don't know. It's got a restaurant down there, a little place to buy stuff, right?
Yeah.
You can buy ice cream down there. I don't know anything else, but
It's in front also in the sea. You can see the seashore.
oh yeah. It's in front of the sea. So it's front of Subic Bay, so you got a pretty good view. We'll show you some of the view in this video if you haven't seen it already. And what else? Anything else?
I think we're done. Okay, guys, time to sign out. Please do like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. Comment down below.
What about memberships? Tell them about memberships.
Oh, guys, also our membership
Is now open.
it's now open. If you want to be a member, go do it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. You'll get exclusive videos.
yeah, so you're always updated wherever we go. We still have some
We'll
places.
have an extra video every 2 weeks.
We still have some places that we wanted to go, guys. Right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna go all sorts of
Yeah.
places, babe.
He was going to be broke. By the way, guys, this is Dingaling signing off.
Ugly.
Stay ugly, my friends.
Stay ugly.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna do a little research.
Come on, honey. Come on.
Okay, guys, that concludes this episode from Subic Bay. Next episode, we'll do restaurants and some nightlife. Stay ugly, my friends.